Yes, sir, we are doing.
Yes, I'm talking about worksheet sums. Are you guys able to follow every day?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And see here, what you have to do here is today onwards, you whatever you solve or whomever I ask for the worksheet to submit, or whomever I ask to submit the homework problems, they must submit on immediate. Okay, they have to submit it immediately. Look at this. If I ask you today to submit, you have to submit me today through WhatsApp or through like Google Classroom, through anything. Like better you submit WhatsApp so that I can go through what exactly you are writing, how you are performing, whether you are writing in a correct manner or not. I can come to know that. So everyone, what you have to do, if I ask somebody to share their work done or homework, they have to share. Okay, Jashmita,
Yes, sir.
are you getting my point?
Yes, sir, I understood.
Yes. What about Vishnu? Vishnu, are you here? Vishnu,
Yes, sir.
are you here or not, Vishnu?
Yes, sir, I'm here.
You talk loudly, beta. Okay, very good. So let's go with this. I think. Next, for suppose, next we'll talk about decimal representation of decimal representation of rational and irrational numbers. Okay. For suppose, now look at this here. If I write example, look at this, very simple beta. 1 by 2. What type of number it is? It is a rational number. It is what? 0.5. 1 by 3 is what? Rational number. So 0.3333 dash 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 dash. This is how you represent rational numbers in decimal form. Correct? Now, for suppose this is for rational numbers. If I talk about irrational numbers, how? Look at this. For suppose you have root 2 beta. Root 2 value is 1.4142135 and so on. This is how you will be getting. It will be never ending action. Understood my point? Yes. Now here.
Sir, it is not.
Sorry. Yes, tell me. Someone is saying.
Sir, I told it is non-terminating.
1 second. I think we can't hear you. Yes, tell me, Vishnu, now.
Vishnu, tell me now.
Sir, I told that it is non-terminating.
Yes, very good. Next concept is expressing decimals as rational numbers. Expressing decimals as rational numbers. Now look at this. For suppose, first thing we'll be learning here is for terminating decimal. Terminating decimals. Terminating decimals. For suppose, look at this here example we have. For suppose, look at this. If I talk about 0.625, okay, 0.625. So how do we just represent it to rational numbers? For suppose we'll take the given decimal number as x. Okay, let x is equal to 0.625. Okay. See here, after the decimal, how many digits you have? Three digits, right? So what we do here is we'll be multiplying, dividing with 30 number, which is 30 number is what? 1000. So here So x will be what now? X is equal 0.625 into 1000 divided by 1000. Understood my point? So now 0.625 into 1000 gives me 625 divided by 1000. Correct? Understood my point? Now x is equal to what, beta? 625 divided by 1000. How? Why did I multiply and divide with 1000? Tell me here. After the decimal, 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros you have. So 30 number is what? 1000. So I just multiply and divided with 1000 beta. Hope you got my point. X is equal to 625 by 1000. Now how can you just reduce into the normal, I mean the simplest form? How can you write into the simplest form? 25 25s, 25 40s. So 5 5s, 5 8s. So x is equal to 5 by 8. Isn't it? Understood my point? Are you able to understand? Hashvika, Prithvi, Vishnu, Jashmita?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I request everyone you guys to turn on your cameras for a while. Quick. Turn on your cameras for a while.
Sir, I cannot.
Everyone turn on your cameras. Make it fast. Harshvika, Vishnu.
Sir, I actually told you, right? I can't turn on my video. I'm not in my house.
Okay. So you understood how we represented that? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Tell me. Harshvika feeling sleepy.
Yes, sir.
Now look at this. So this is how we represent terminating decimal into rational numbers. Hope you got my point. Okay, understood, beta? Understood for terminating decimals. For non-terminating decimals, now second case we'll talk about for not normal recurring decimals. We'll talk about recurring decimals. What do you mean by recurring decimals? What do you mean by recurring decimals?
Which
Sir,
occurs
whose
many times.
numbers do not end?
Sorry?
Sir, whose decimal numbers do not end? They
Whose?
keep continuing. They
Yes.
keep repeating.
Yes. So they will not end. So for suppose example, let's talk about, for example, 1.042 or anything you take 042, 042, 42, 42, 42, 42, 42, 42,
5 also.
42 dash 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 dash. Okay, that is different beta. Look at this here. If you observe this properly here, 42, 42, 42, 42, every time 42 is repeating. All right. So this is non-terminating recurring but non-terminating. All right. Look at this here, 42. So this can be written as what now? This can be simply written as 0.42 bar. You have to keep bar on 42. Why? Because 42 only repeating. Check. 42, 42, 42, 42. Every time 42 only repeating here. So we have to keep a bar on 42. Okay. So how to convert this recurring decimal into a rational number? Very simple. So first of all, what we do here is, first of all, let's take this as y. Okay. Or let's take this as x, 0.42 bar. Okay. Very good. This is the first equation. Okay.
By 100.
See here, what we do here is beta, we will be multiplying
Sir, can you explain bar again?
this bar, right? Look at this bar is nothing but beta. This bar is nothing but I'm keeping bar on only 4 and 2. Why? Because only 4 2 repeating. Look at it here, 4 2, 4 2, 4 2, 4 2, 4 2, 4
Bar
2.
means recurring, sir.
Yes, yes. Bar means what is that bar representing here? The digits whichever representing. For suppose if I have 1.3333 something like this, or 0.33 something like this, I would have kept 0.3 bar, 0.3 bar or 0.333333 bar. All right,
Like
0.33
approximate, sir.
approximate 0.33 dash 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 dash, both are same actually. So instead of writing like this, I simply write like this. Understood my point? Clear? Instead of writing like this, I simply write like this. Both are same actually. All right, here also same thing, both are same, these two are same now. Okay, hope you got my point. Is it clear?
So we're learning this in polynomials.
Sorry,
So we're learning this. I'm asking if we are learning this in polynomials.
are we learning this in polynomials?
Yes, sir, because this was already taught us to like in number system.
Yeah. Already I taught in the number system, but actually this is an extra class. Why? Because those ever having a doubts in a real numbers, I'm explaining again for the children who are having, like, those who have joined, recently, those who are listening for the first time, those who are new to the institute, for them just we have started, taking extra classes. Those who are willing to join, they can join better. If you are already confident enough in this topic, you may not join. That is not a problem at all. But if you know all this, you may not join. That is completely fine. You already know all this, Hashvika?
Yes, sir, we actually completed the number system
Yeah,
chapter.
we already
in our-
completed. You was there, right, when I was teaching that?
No, sir. I actually wasn't there when you taught, but in our school they taught number systems.
Acha. Okay, got it. But I look at this here. Here, what happens is, even they teach in your school, we will teach here. But because whatever your school teacher will teach, we will not be teaching the same here. Our teaching would be different. Your school teachers' teaching would be different. So your school teachers will be teaching you only book sums, but we will not be doing that. We will be teaching more than. I mean, I'm not like, what do you call that? I'm not uh, uh, looking at that, less manner. I'm not looking at the. I'm not saying that they are less, we are more. I'm not saying like that. The thing is, we will be solving advanced, we'll be solving in a competitive manner. We'll be solving all the questions for the competitive examinations. All right, so your school teachers will be following only NCERT. They will not be following other than NCERT. First of all, they'll be focusing on NCERT. But what we do here is, yes, you'll be learning all the topics from your school side. We'll be teaching book sums, similar sums of book sums, but not exactly book sums. Along with that, we'll be taking extra questions which really helps for your competitive exam. Okay, that is the main thing actually. If you already done, no problem. See here, how many of you done with all these concepts? How many of you know all these things before itself? Hashvika knows. Prithvi, what about you?
In school, sir, they have teaching.
They have taught already. Okay, I mean,
In
do you know?
school.
Yeah, that
In
is what.
school.
Yeah, in school already they have taught. You know all this. What about Vishnu?
No, sir, they haven't started this.
They haven't started. So for this type of students, for the students like Vishnu, we have started this extra classes. No problem. If you want to listen, you can listen better. No problem. Even if you already know that, you may join regular class. Need not to join extra class. It is completely fine. Okay. Now here what we do is,
I actually thought this was the class.
Yes,
I
Ashwika.
actually thought this was the regular class and I joined.
Ashwika, what are you saying?
Divided by 100, sir.
Sir, I actually thought this was a regular class and I joined.
Regular class would be at 6:15 to 7:15. Check the timing. No problem. Look at this here. So 4-2 bar we have. 4-2 bar. Why we are keeping bar on 4-2? Why? Because 4-2 is repeating, right?
Because reoccurring.
Yes, it is a reoccurring. Now we will be multiplying this first equation.
100.
100. Why? Because only 2 digits are repeating again and again.
To remove points.
Yes. So we'll be multiplying 100x is equal. If I multiply it 100 on both sides, better look at it, 1.42 bar into 100. So it becomes 100x is equal to 104.242 bar. Correct? Isn't it? Isn't it? Better multiplying 100. So it will be moving to decimal forward, right? Hope you know this. So this is my second equation. Now what we do is 2 minus 1.
Sir,
We'll be subtracting first equation from the second one. Yes, tell me.
sir, if we multiply with 1000, it will move 3 digits, sir.
Yes. but we need not to multiply. We shouldn't multiply with 1000 here. Why? Because digits are repeating only 2, so we'll be taking only number which has 2 zeros. Okay.
Means if we should move one digit, we should take 10, 200,
Yeah,
3000.
1000. 4 means 4, I mean 10,000, and so on. 5 means 1 lakh, 6 means 10 lakhs, like that. So 2 minus 1. So 1900x minus 1x is equal to 104.242 bar minus 1.4042 bar. Okay. If you subtract this, what you are going to get here? 99x, 104 minus 1, 103.2 19, I mean this bar, I mean 4 to 4 will be getting cancelled, right? I mean you will be getting 0 0 0 0, right? If you have doubt, better look at this 104.242 bar here, 1.042 bar, 4 bar will be 0, 2 minus 0 2, 4 minus 1 3, 0, like this. 103.20 I got. Even you write 0, even you do not write 0, doesn't make a sense. I'm subtracting, right? So what is x is going to be now? 103.2 divided by 99. So x is equal 1032 divided by 990. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Understood how I wrote this? Is it clear? How we wrote 990? Tell me. Why? Because this can be written as like this, whole divided by 99. So x is equal to that 99 will go and multiply 10. So it becomes 990. This is the answer. All right, getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Very simple. So this is how we just learned, beta. These are the things we learned. So now let me tell you one thing here. What is terminating decimal? Terminating decimal is nothing but, beta, after it is stopping. First of all, let me say that 10 by 2. It is a rational number. So if I just look at this at 2 ones, 2 5s, it is terminating. Terminating after 5, we are not getting any numbers. Let's say now 10 by 3 you have.
Sir, it means that it is divisible.
Yes, exactly. Terminating. Now look at this at 3 ones, 3 3s, 9, 1 remainder, again 10, 3.33, and so on, right? So this can be written as 3.333333. Even you solve for 10 years, it will not be ending. Again, you will be getting 3333, like that.
Or
So this
3.3 bar.
3.3 bar. So it is what? This is non-recurring and non-terminating. All right, it is reoccurring. One second. Recurring.
Reoccurring, terminating.
Non-terminating. It is terminating is nothing
Oh,
but
sorry,
stopping.
non-terminating.
Non-terminating. Okay, very simple. Next, if I talk about pi, what is the pi value? 3.14 and so on. Okay, what is pi value? Pi value is a irrational number.
22 by 7.
Yes,
22 by 7
22 by
or
7.
Irrational numbers, sir. Irrational numbers.
Look at it
rational.
here. 22 by 7. If you divide this, beta, 3.14159265358979323846, and so on, you will be getting like this. Okay. Now if you observe difference between this and this, it is repeating same numbers but not ending, not terminating. It is not repeating but not ending. Getting my point? And not ending. Look at it. Anywhere are you getting any pattern here? We are not getting any pattern. 1 4 1 5 9 2 6 4, all the different numbers. We are not getting any type of pattern here, but we are getting pattern here. 3 3 3 3 3 is a pattern. It is following a pattern. But in pi, it is not following any kind of pattern, isn't it? There is no such repeating digits. So it is what with now? It is non-recurring
Non-recurring,
and
non-terminating.
non-terminating.
Non-terminating. Sir, 22 by 7 is rational or irrational?
Irrational number. That is irrational number. We have discussed that, right? Pi comes under irrational numbers. Okay. Getting my point? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any doubts so far? Any doubts, Vishnu? Vishnu, any doubts?
No, sir.
Clear? Yes. So this
Sir,
is, yes.
could you once scroll up, sir? Some more up, sir.
But with this, we just these are the things only we discussed in the number system, not more than this. So actually, representing the numbers on number line also we discussed. But anyway, majorly we discussed these concepts in your number system. And if at all you have any doubts, you may go through the recording lectures and you can ask me the doubt. So tomorrow's extra class would be on polynomials. Okay, tomorrow's extra class would be on polynomials. All right, see, the basic understanding of these classes is, the basic motive of these classes is to make sure that the basics are clear. And in solving the questions, better we will be choosing different questions. For solving the questions, we'll be choosing different type of questions. But the main motive of taking the classes is to make sure that we are strengthening, you are strengthening your basics. That is the main motive. Okay, so but I think we have to start regular class right now. So let me stop this session here itself, and you join again, beta. Okay, for regular class you join it. Okay,
Okay,
clear?
sir.
Thank you.
Okay,
Join me
sir.
back. Let me end this and start the session again. Thank you.